Hi everybody, I want to talk to you about VEXCodeVr. This is a program where you can program with a virtual robot using block-based coding environment powered by Scratch blocks. VEXCodeVr is based on VEXCode, the same programming environment that we use with our VEX robots in the robotics program at the high school. So to learn the coding, to be able to do that type of thing, this is a great opportunity to get your feet wet in coding for VEX. So all you need to do is go to vr.vex.com to get started. This is our programming environment here. So the big thing to remember though is up here in the tutorial section has some very important information about getting started, naming and saving your project, and using the playground window. Now, one thing that is very important, because it does not have usernames and all this other things, it saves the file directly on your Chromebook. So you need to make sure that you've definitely watched this tutorial about naming and saving your project. Otherwise, when you press the back button on your browser, you lose your code. So make sure that you save your work properly. Now back out of here, these are our drivetrain controls. Our looks, mainly this is about how to control the pen as the robot travels. And there's all kinds of other functions like controls and if statements and all kinds of other things. Now, the nice thing about it here is that we have a playground for our robot. This is our playground. And we'll send you a Google Doc with the challenge components and see if you can get it done. So here is our virtual robot stage. We can expand that to make it bigger. Right now it's just in a grid map, but if with the down view, I can have other views. One that I don't have to see all the information. This is the down view that you're seeing right now, and here is the side view that gives us our little view of our little robot. Over here, if we have our code already programmed in our blocks, we can just hit this play button and it would run our code. Up here, this is where we select our playground, depending on which challenge that we're going to be doing. And again, here are our activities as well. Oh, and there's my finish. Okay, hooray. So when I'm done and I want to turn in my robot project to Google Classroom, I need to save my work and I need to do my screenshot. I'm going to change my camera to the overhead. On my Chromebook, I'm going to press Control, Shift, and switch window. It's in the top row above the 6 key, and it'll give me my crosshairs. So I will take a screenshot of my finished solution. Or if it wasn't a perfect solution, no big deal. Just do the best you can and give us your screenshot of that. So when I'm done with that, I want to make sure I've got my project file downloaded. So I'm just going to save to your device in the upper left. And there's my solution. And then I'm just going to go to Google Classroom and attach those files to the assignment. In this case, I'm using a different classroom than what you would have, because I'm doing this as if I was a student. So I'm just going to hit Add or Create. I'm going to hit File, with just the paperclip icon. And then if I just did this, I can hit the select from your device. And I could, if I'm not seeing it right away, I might need to press the recent button. So here's my letter maze V blocks, and then I can also hit the Shift key and select my screenshot as well. And I could hit Open, and those things are ready to attach, and hit Upload. And if I've done everything right, I can just hit Turn In, and turn in again.